In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create new layer in Civil 3D. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a clean, well-organized layer with the right visual and plotting settings so your drawings stay consistent and easy to manage. First, let's open the Layer Properties Manager. The fastest way is to press LA on your keyboard and hit Enter. This brings up the central control panel for all your layers. Think of this window as your project's traffic controller. It determines how objects look, how they plot, and how they're organized. Next, create a new layer. Click the New Layer button, the icon with a star. Civil 3D adds a fresh layer to the list, ready for you to customize. If you don't see it right away, look near the top of the list. New layers often appear there by default. Now give your layer a clear descriptive name. Use a naming convention that makes sense for your team, such as including the discipline or feature type. For example, using names that identify the object and purpose helps you and others quickly understand what belongs on that layer. Avoid special characters that might cause sorting or template issues. With the layer selected, set the properties so it behaves the way you expect throughout the drawing. Choose a color that aligns with your company or project standards. In CTB-based setups, color often controls plotted thickness, so pick one that prints correctly. In STB-based setups, color is more about on-screen clarity while the plot style manages thickness. Next, set the line type. If you want dashed or center lines, select the appropriate line type from the list. If you don't see what you need, you can load additional line types from this same dialog so your graphics convey the right intent. Then adjust the line weight. Keep it readable, heavy enough to stand out in plots, but not so heavy that it overwhelms nearby geometry. Finally, set the plot style. Choose the style that matches your standards to ensure consistent plotting across sheets and viewports. Whenever possible, keep object properties set to by layer so that changes at the layer level propagate consistently. When you're satisfied, click Apply to lock in the settings, then close the Layer Properties Manager. Your new layer is now ready to use throughout the drawing with the color, line type, line weight, and plot style already configured. That's all there is to it: clean, organized, and consistent.